Good afternoon, sir. This is the video for the 80 blocks which were done. So these are the blocks. And we are watering those which were done before the others. So these are the 80 blocks. I'm just watering them so that they can become so strong. Those which were done before, but there are some which we need to wait first and then will be watered. So these the ones which we are watering, they are very strong. They are drying up. So these are the blocks. The target has been met, and there is the number has even exceeded with 4 blocks. So these are the ones. So just a process of watering them to make them more stronger. So at least we didn't experience heavy down for the past 2 days. So these are the blocks which we have made. As you can see, there is Mr. Ruther there watering them. So we are done with watering. Are you done with watering?
Yes.
Okay, so it's done with the watering the blocks. So as you can see, there's a lot. Doing them in different directions. Yes. Even these ones, they're getting more stronger. So after getting, when they dry up, we'll try to put them together the way we arrange the other ones. So the target has been made. They have been made as you directed us to make them. Yes. So these are the 80 plus 5 plus 4 surplus. Trying to view them in different directions. So they are done. And the payments have been made for the quarry and for the blocks for Mr. Ruther. So these are the blocks which we need now to just be watering them for the next coming days so that they can become very strong. At least we have a bit of sunlight compared to the past days, we had a lot of heavy downpours. Thank you, sir. Have a blessed day.